Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you guys a new product that I have partnered with called the Cup Holder Hero. I know I haven't done a video in a long time, as you can see. The weather is not really permitting, so I do apologize, but please continue to subscribe, like, share, and watch all my other videos, please and thank you. So today we have the Cup Holder Hero. Now, these are specifically made for your vehicle, so they hit and fit in every nook and cranny around your vehicle. So I just want to show you the texture. So it's like a little husky liner or a WeatherTech mat that goes into all the nooks and crannies. So as you can see here, I've got one in the door, I've got two in these two pockets, and one down below. Now you might ask yourself, why do I need that? Well, if you've ever had kids, or even if you're just kind of messy in your truck or car, you'll know that these areas get full of dust, debris, goo from drinks and stuff like that. And basically these, you can just pop them out, wash them, spray them down, whatever you want to do, just like husky liners or WeatherTech mats. Now these go throughout the vehicle, so I've got mine up here. Apologize for the mess, again, it is winter. So I got two in the cup holder, one in the area where you just rest your phone or whatever you do. And then if you come along to the back of this vehicle, again, this is a Ridgeline, as you know, 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport. They've made them for the store as well, here, and again, custom fit. And mine are outlined in red. You can have white or blue. And then moving here into the center console area where my son has his seat. You can see they sit nicely, perfectly cut, digitally cut, I'm assuming, to each specific vehicle. So it's really cool. We got a couple extras back here, and just another view from up here. As you can see, they look pretty cool in an area that usually is pretty damn bare and boring. So it just gives you a little bit of flair and protection in these specific areas. And again, it's really good material, like they won't rip or fade or anything like that. This isn't adhesive at the back. Sorry, let me say that again. This is not adhesive at the back, but it is somewhat textured or sticky, so they do stay in place very, very well. So that's basically it with the Cup Holder Heroes. I say check them out. Again, red, white, or blue are the colors you get to choose from. They are specifically digitally cut for your vehicle, and honestly, they look pretty damn cool. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, like, share, watch all my other videos, and we will see you in the next one as spring comes and new wheels, tires, and all kinds of stuff happen. Thank you. Have a great day.